A Jamaican woman was sentenced to 2 years in prison for multiple counts of fraud in the Bahamas. That we are going to talk about right after this quick intro.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turning on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. So viewers, an undocumented Jamaican woman got married to a Haitian man in the Bahamas after stealing a Bahamian national's identity. The 43-year-old Jamaican woman whose given name is Marlene Stephens on Wednesday confessed to multiple counts of fraud and possession of false documents. The woman changed her plea from not guilty to guilty after spending 4 months in lockup, and the judge then sentenced her to 2 years in prison with credit for the time already served. The Jamaican woman who was a housekeeper in the Bahamas was there for 10 years and will be deported after serving her time. Now let me tell you how the woman get catch. So, police arrest the woman at the National Insurance Board on March of this year after she got there to go try to renew her insurance card under the fake name Lakera Poitier, which is a Bahamian name. So the people at the insurance place say, hold on there, man. The insurance card where the woman here present, which is the Jamaican woman, have a total different picture from what them have in them system. But not only that, the Bahamian woman made a report that her card was stolen in 2018. People, dum 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 dum. So the people at the insurance company call the police. When the police them come, them search her and find a passport and other documents with the Bahamian woman name on it. So while the police them do them investigation, them get to find out that the woman get married to a Haitian man in 2018. People using the stolen identity. But I know this, so the thing gets sweet yet. Here we go on now. While the police them interrogate the woman tell the police them say the Bahamian woman gave her the stolen identity. You ever hear some foolishness? But of course, the woman, which is the Bahamian woman, denied everything and said, no go, so why would I give away my identity? So she eventually confessed to 8 counts of possession of false documents, 5 counts of false pretenses, and lying to a public officer and fraud marriage. So our attorney decides say him go ask the judge, you know, if you give her a little bit of leniency, Your Honor, give her a little bit of leniency, have some mercy upon her, Your Honor. You understand? Because she just try to look a better life, Your Honor. But the judge said, no, she try to look a better life the wrong way. 2 years is what the judge sentenced her. Boy, people, my thing is, I just hope, you know, the time run off quick, she get to go back to Jamaica and figure out something else. But I hope she learn her lesson and not bother do the fraud thing again. You understand? People, wise up. Don't do certain little foolishness. Me understand you not try to seek a better life and I try to seek a better way out. But at the end of the day, things can catch up with you know. And not only that, you have to remember now, government system improve every day. Every time they get a chance to improve, so they get smarter and them are put in other things to know who is who and all of that. You understand? All these, you know, NIB card and stuff like them thing. Them are use smart system now. So now have to be very careful. Alright? Now, on to our next topic. You don't know so reggae Sumfest are going right now. You understand? Even though it's online. Well, Foota hype kinda give theme personal reviews on the performances at Sumfest. Make we hear what Foota has.
Your appearance and how you project yourself on the stage is very good. From a long time, me know say she is one of the most fashionable female artists in the game. See? So me did know that. See? Me enjoy her performance up until when she start the eating segment. You know me have to cut, right? Because me not depend on that. See? So, my issue with fear thing is, and in anything you do, you have to know when to stop. You have to know when to stop. Because every comment, if you watch it, when she start work was amazing. Everybody I love her performance until she go in at the Bowers part. You start see all people that say she fi go suck her mama, some man say she fi dead. Some girl I say, yes, Shana, them fi eat really. Now, yes, you get the platform already by saying the eating thing. Like you're on reggae Sumfest. There's a lot of people in the world streaming. Sing your song. Nobody now saying if you sing your song, sing the song because I want to hear your biggest song. Zine? But why you gonna go in all of them in-depth something? People need to realize that even if you have nasty fans out there, and not everybody nasty. No, after the girls, them in a sure. But remember, say you have whole heap of thugs where rate her to, would I like give her the glory there. You understand what I mean? I say there's a time and a place for everything. She could have sing this song and not go in depth about Ray and all of that, because you have people who find that very disgusting. You understand what I say? Yeah, you have people who find that disgusting. So at that point of the show now, me come off of the live. Because me never want to see that, me never want to hear that. But other than that, me like how she come out. She got hard a long time, me not see her nowhere at all in the world, much less on stage. So, me like how she work. See, in her outfit, me like the outfit. Me not see nobody else in it. Her hair well done. She look clean. Nice. After Aishana was Ding Dong. See? I was speaking about Aishana. Somebody said, who me I talk? I was speaking about Aishana. Yeah, Oshan mother. So, next was Ding Dong. Next was Romiech Entertainment, I should say. Because them tell we say the three of them are going to perform. Zine, watch this now. My problem with this now, Romiech Entertainment is a talented group of people. From selector to artists to even them roadie them and the promotion girl. Romiech have the business plan lock right now. Zine? So, my thing, I thought Shenseea was going to open the show as the female for Romiech Entertainment, and then you'd have TJ, then Ding Dong. More said this before me going to discussing Romiech Entertainment performance. Wanna stop underrate Ding Dong thing. Stop mediocre up Ding Dong thing. Listen what me I say, people. You have to give respect to where respect Joe. Stop going like Ding Dong. I want to look a regular artist stream, a dancer. You say, uno the fans, uno help mash up the artist them career. Me see some people, what did a blogger put up? Which artist run 2019 to 2020 and Ding Dong was not in it. When if you stop undermine the youth talent. Me and Ding Dong no paragon where me and Ding Dong no up and down. More time him friend them in them feelings, him not chat to me neither. And then him chat to me out. We are par from long time. A dancer, everybody have emotion. But Ding Dong must not be underrated on a stop style youth. Zine, stop style Ding Dong. Ding Dong are one of the only artists me see during this pandemic we get big all hit song. Inside are one of the biggest songs throughout the whole pandemic. You know much artists we not remember, we not hear about them, we not see them from pandemic. Them not have Instagram power, them not have Facebook power, nobody not remember them. You know much of them are suffer for little clout right now. Ding Dong are find it's consistently over the years. Stop style you thing. Stop pre-Ding Dong as a mediocre artist. In performance the mediocre and him sang them the mediocre. Stop it. It's a thing when me pre on the fire now. You not hurt me with that something there. Stop. Undermine the youth thing. Zine? The only mistake me say Romiech Entertainment do last night is put Ding Dong to open the performance. Maybe it's an experiment. Maybe them a research See? But you can't research with somebody like Ding Dong. You have to know your team, know them capability, know what them bring to the stage, and set up your segment and your lineup based on that. See? We can't base up because Shenseea get this big international deal now and the whole of the international world are look upon her because everybody in the international world is looking on Shenseea. She have some big Spanish collaboration and she have collaboration with the rapper them and thing. But that doesn't mean in the hardcore world of reggae and dancehall, she gonna have more impact than Ding. See? Also, TJ is a very, very, very great performer. See? And TJ is very hardcore. So, for me, and this is just my opinion, for me, Shenseea would have to open the segment. And then TJ, and then Ding Dong. Because like it or not, Ding Dong is the big man in the camp. See? Ding Dong is the boss in the camp. Like it or not. He have more years of experience. He have more stage experience than every artist in Romiech Entertainment. And he's hotter than everybody in Romiech Entertainment right now. See? So this is my opinion. Nobody have to agree with me. Nobody have to coincide with what I say. It doesn't matter. See? Shenseea, as the beauty queen, the female them love her, she should have opened the show. See? She should have opened the show for Romiech Entertainment segment. See? Worse if she gonna do a little segment like that because she never performed long. You understand what I say? Make she open it as the female. Ladies first and gentlemen after. And then TJ. And then Ding Dong. Because he already reached Shenseea last night. She performed good. Because she not make a mistake. She know her voice not crack nothing. She just come out of a tragic situation. Me that era, she that move right. But after a Ding Dong performance, it's gonna be immense pressure on a Shenseea. You understand what I say? It's gonna be immense pressure on a Shenseea because our energy level is nowhere near where Ding Dong put out with Disha and Bravo and Silent and the whole of who him call out. I be energetic people them the way I do a bag of thing, I run up and down and I jump and I do be a thing. You cannot do that. No, you just can't do it. You can't do it. Despite she have that international clout there and MCA call her and BET call her and MTV call her, we have to face reality. If she go after Ding is merely suicide. I know anybody can perform after Ding. You have Elephant Man, Capleton, Beanie Man, Vegas. You cannot send anybody after them artists there. Them too energetic. You understand me? I say them too, them are do too much. So, like how them in the same camp, you have to structure how you send them out. You understand? You have to structure how you send them out, including Ding Dong of the hottest song during the pandemic, which is Inside. You can't send him first. You understand what I say? So, as I say, I enjoy Romiech Entertainment performance. Ding Dong got hard. Shenseea was stable. Me would say she done the place. I would say she was stable. She looked good. Her outfit clean. Because everybody kind of never give them a Sumfest dressing. Everybody kind of, you know, give them a little casual, semi-casual dressing, which me never like. Me never like that about the dressing part. Me think the artists them should have still got hard and still put on them suit and, you know, them clean thing and go hard with the dressing. They didn't. Them go, you know, look at urban wear and thing. Me never like that. I mean for the whole show. Me not talk for like a particular person. Me talk for the whole show. The people them underdressed. See? And it was still reggae Sumfest, the world are looking. You understand what I say? So me never like that. But she maintained. So ding, overall for me, take the whole show last night. Ding Dong was the highlighter last night for me. Zine, as I'm saying, y'all do not have to agree with my opinions, but that was my opinion. Zine? Yeah. So, you not have to agree with me. You can disagree all you want. I think Ding Dong took the whole show last night.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.